What's up, guys? Good to see you. Welcome to day 5 of the 21-day war on sugar. I'm starting the vlog off a little bit later than usual today. I've already woken up, had my keto coffee, crushed a workout, and ate eggs cooked in butter with a side of spinach. I also ordered the plane ticket for my boy Rennie Mencia. He was the grand prize winner of the first ever Keto Quest. Bro, it's gonna be epic. I can't wait to see you. For those of you who have not signed up for Keto Quest, I highly encourage you to do that. Also, if competitions aren't your thing, we sell a program that is absolutely perfect for beginners. Go to ketoquest.com. Yo, I'm so pumped at how many people are doing this 21-day war on sugar with me. You guys, remember, make sure you use the hashtag war on sugar. Tag me in your posts. It feels good to know that I got soldiers by my side, man. I'm telling you right now, sugar doesn't stand a chance. Quick update on how I feel. I feel amazing. I feel like I'm in ketosis, burning fat, inflammation has gone back down. I don't feel that much crazier than my standard typical ketogenic diet that I have always followed, but I will say this, for those of you who are doing the 21-day war on sugar and maybe you didn't follow a strict diet before, you're cutting sugar out for the first time, I guarantee you, if you make it to day 5, you will start noticing dramatic differences in the way you feel, your energy levels, so keep going strong. Quick shout out to this young lady right here. Check out that transformation. Absolutely inspiring. Sana Randev is her name, and she is from India. And it seems like all the people in India are catching on to the ketogenic diet, man. I keep seeing people tag me from that country. It's awesome to have you on board, India. Okay, real talk. There's a few things that I'm missing during this challenge already. It goes without saying that cheese is at the top of that list. I miss cheese dearly, and it really hurts when I can't have my bunless burgers. That is typically my go-to meal, but just eating burgers without having cheese, it just doesn't sound appetizing at all, not to mention the fact that I can't put ketchup or mayonnaise on it because both of those contain sugar, but it'll be all right. Number 2, tomato mozzarella salad, aka caprese salad. If you guys have followed me for a long time, you know that I love tomato mozzarella salad. I can't have the cheese, and I've yet to find a balsamic vinaigrette without sugar. I'm not getting tired of eating steak and eggs, which is good. Steak just keeps tasting good. It's been my go-to along with eggs. I'm really kind of hoping that this diet doesn't get boring. That's probably my number one fear, is just getting bored of eating the same foods. I'm gonna start venturing out more. I haven't really gone to explore different options. I've just kind of played defense this whole entire time and just eating things like steak and eggs, but so far, so good. And finally, I'm getting used to drinking just plain water. Like I said before, I always use artificial water enhancer, which contains sucralose, but I have to admit, going back to drinking just plain water feels good.
What up, buddy?
Keto Quad!
How you doing, man?
In the house.
That's right. Yeah, buddy.
Alright, guys, many of you know my friend Jake Herning, aka Keto Quad, but a lot of you do not. New subscribers to this channel, you keep seeing him in the videos, and a lot of you are curious about how Jake found himself in a wheelchair. So if you want to quickly share that story for the new subscribers.
Yeah, so I was in Puerto Vallarta on a vacation, and I was there with the internship, and I ran off the beach and dove into a wave, and the wave was crashing down at the same time, and it threw me straight down on top of my head. So I broke my C6 vertebrae.
And that was how long ago?
3 years ago, yeah.
3 years ago.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. And nothing's stopping him.
That's right.
Look at him. He's a monster.
Thanks, bro.
Hey, like I said yesterday, guys, victory belongs to those who persevere.
Hell yeah, man.
I live my life by that, and you are a true example of that. So, Jake, tell us about your competition you got coming up.
Yeah, we got a comp.
Jake's a bodybuilder.
That's right. It's gonna be the first quad division there at that Florida meet.
Cool.
And it's gonna be me and 2 other guys I know of so far. But I've got a month left prep. I'm gonna be doing the War on Sugar to prep it out.
Jake's on that prep life.
That prep.
I don't miss my bodybuilding days at all, but it's a super awesome experience. You've been practicing posing?
Yeah, I actually gotta get that.
Oh, I'll teach you. I'll teach you how to pose, bro. You're gonna be good, man. So we're all cheering Jake on for that. He is also doing the 21-day War on Sugar with us. We are both on day 5. How are you feeling?
You know, I feel good.
Me too.
But I've realized a lot of the things that I thought I could eat, I couldn't eat.
Like
Bacon.
Bacon, I know.
Like, dude, how is there sugar in bacon?
Preservative. So what are you missing the most?
Gum.
Gum, seriously, gum. I never realized, like, it's just like some nervous impulse that it satisfies. But, and I use gum when I work out, and I'm okay with it, but I keep realizing, you know?
Yeah.
But there's so many artificial sweeteners in gum. The gum that I use has aspartame in it.
Yeah, mine's
and sucralose.
Xylitol?
Yeah, they're like, mine has like 3 or 4 different types. But it's okay. Gum's not going to stop us. Anything else you're missing?
Hot sauce, like.
Yo, Frank's Red Hot doesn't have sugar in it, bro.
Really?
Yeah, I'll hook you up. I'm going to give you a bottle of Frank's Red Hot. I've been putting it on my eggs.
Really?
It's clutch. But you think you're going to be good for 21 days?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Guys, the question is, are you going to be good for 21 days? Do you believe in yourself?
Right.
Like I said before, man, you and I, like, and a lot of these other keto people that are kind of taking it to the next level, declaring war on sugar. Imagine somebody who, like, isn't following a diet and just wants to try this. If that is you, like if you are just jumping right into the 21-day war on sugar, you got to really stay strong in the beginning. I promise you, over time, it gets easier.
Yeah, definitely.
Like your body, but, you know, do you notice anything different? Or it's kind of hard because we've both been keto for so long and not dependent on sugars.
Yeah, I feel better. Like I've noticed when I eat like some sort of artificial sugar like diet soda, it would mess with me. Yeah. And even cutting out like gum and those little bits.
Yeah.
It's like
a lot of people, yo, I'm going to say this. A lot of people come to me, man, like 50% of the people that come to me are like on a weight loss journey and they've hit a plateau. They're doing keto. I think doing the 21-day war on sugar has got to bust a plateau.
Yeah.
It has to.
Yeah.
I would highly suggest you guys do it. Let's see here. We got a bunch of stuff. Oh, one more question.
Yeah.
How did you feel after the epic sugar overload that we did? First thing, before you answer, sorry. He's got a YouTube channel. Link in the description box below. He's been documenting his entire journey. My man putting down some epic videos. He's using a GoPro.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, the GoPro's clutch, man. It's easy for him to hold up. So go follow his channel, please, and subscribe. You'll see me featured in a few videos as well.
Right.
Okay, so.
Definitely. Oh, shit. What did you ask me?
What did I ask you? What did I ask you? Guys, I need help. What did I ask you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The carb day.
Oh, yeah. We forgot the question. After that epic sugar overdose, how did you feel?
Not good, man.
Yeah.
I was rough.
I felt miserable. Didn't your shoulder like get inflamed?
Yeah, so I hurt my shoulder a couple days before.
Yeah.
And it was pushing my rugby chair, just like the rotator cuff, and it's happened. But like when I had that carb day, that night and the day after, it hurt so bad. Dude,
I guarantee you that's the inflammation of all that sugar probably just flared everything up.
Oh yeah. Well, that's my massage therapist like, well, that's probably not a good idea. Just eat a bunch of carbs, you're gonna get all like inflamed, you know?
Sugar, man. Okay, so here's the plan. Jake and I are gonna go to the grocery store. I gotta find some more stuff to eat besides steak and eggs.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't get kicked out. Man, I get kicked out of grocery stores like every week.
You do?
Yeah.
For recording?
Almost, yeah. Grocery stores hate Sprouts, hates me the most. Whole Foods, they see me and it's no good. They're on to me. King Soopers has not yet kicked me out. That's where we're gonna go today.
I think you're good. I'm in a wheelchair, bro. They won't say nothing.
Yeah, they won't say anything. Hey, if they say anything, I'm just gonna hand you the camera. I'll be like, here you go. Say something now. All right,
this is my journey of life.
We'll see you guys there.
Thanks, Del.
All right, so we just made it to King Soopers. So far, so good. First thing we came across, protein bars. Look at all those protein bars. We've got what I think is probably the most popular bar, the Cliff Bar. Anybody want to take a guess how many grams of sugar are in this bad boy? Drum roll, please. 19 grams of sugar. Okay, so we're gonna do something fun here. I'm gonna try and find some healthy foods that actually have a lot of sugar in them. All right, first up, we got yogurt. Everybody loves yogurt. I cannot believe how the yogurt business must be booming. Let's just pick a random one here. We got Chobani.
So the carbs are 18 carbs and the sugars are 15.
What do we got there?
So,
all right, Jake picked up some orange juice.
Home style orange juice, and it's got 26 grams of carbs and 21 grams of sugar.
Dang!
Dude.
Watch out, he's coming through.
Filming something?
No, we just have a camera.
Okay. Okay, just don't film it, okay?
Okay. Why can't we film?
You can have permission to film the store.
How do I get permission?
We gotta go to the main office.
So the main office, and do they have any like restrictions on filming or anything?
I have no idea about it.
Okay. All right.
It's just something you have to run by the end.
Okay. Thanks for your help, man. We'll put it away.
Yeah, booted, bro.
Jake didn't do us any good, man. I was counting on you.
I know, I'm sorry.
Okay, we gotta add King Soopers to the list of grocery stores that hate me. I don't know what it is, man. Why they won't let us film? I think probably because all these big like sugar companies, the breads and the cereal and the pasta and the bagel companies, man, they know that when somebody comes in with a camera, it's probably gonna be to call them out. But anyways, man, it's all good. You want to go to a different one?
Let's do it.
Oh, we're gonna go to a different grocery store.
Yeah, buddy.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, guys, we are now at Costco. I'm hoping this is gonna be mission success. What do you think?
I think, yeah, we got a good chance.
I think we're good, man.
I don't know, you kind of drawing a lot of attention though, bro.
No, it's your noisy ass wheelchair, bro. No, we're gonna be good. Okay, so I'm filming on the Canon G7X Mark II, which is an awesome camera for those of you who are interested in vlogging. It's a very small camera, but what Jake pointed out was that maybe I should take this ridiculous looking tripod off, go super ninja stealth mode. So I'm gonna smuggle this camera in. I'm definitely not gonna be filming the lady that takes your card.
No.
And then we'll see you guys on the inside. All right, guys, so we made it inside. It's kind of crowded, and I've already seen like 3 or 4 managers walking around. Captain Obvious right here. So what I think I'm gonna do is one of my epic grocery store montages. I feel like when I talk to the camera, I get really loud with a ton of energy. That draws a lot of attention, so.
Montage.
All right, guys, here is what we got. French green beans. We got ribeye. That is lamb chops, which I've never tried before, but I'm excited to try. And we've got some pork, mahi mahi.
It's like Nike, man.
I'm not really that hungry, so can I just have one mahi?
So Jake convinced me to get some of this sauerkraut. I hate pickles, but I actually love sauerkraut. We've got this seasoned roast beef, some 100% grass-fed uncured beef Junior Franks for myself and Paxton. Something else that I've never prepared myself, we've got some scallops. I love bison, mushrooms, mixed nuts, and finally, Costco wins the prize for having the best macadamia nuts on the market.
1 hour later.
All right, guys, our grocery adventure has come to an end. That was fun.
It was fun, man. It was,
Kind of eye-opening.
yeah.
I feel like every time I go to the grocery store now and I look at ingredient lists, I'm like more and more amazed. And I'll tell you this right now, I used to just look at like the grams of protein, carbs, and fats and all that stuff, and I've never really looked at ingredient lists. But I have to say,
Right.
I feel like there's way more valuable information about what is actually going in your food.
Right. Yeah, there's a couple times that we were looking at labels and you're like, oh, 0 sugar, right? It's like, no, man.
No,
Ingredients.
actually,
Slap
there's
your hand, bro.
there's maltodextrin.
Yeah.
There were a few things that were discouraging at Costco, although it was very successful. I think it was successful this time because instead of like thinking about sugar, we just went for the stuff that we usually get.
Yeah.
A few things that were discouraging: meatballs that I usually like picking up from there. I looked at the ingredient list and it had maltodextrin in them. I love these little pork tenderloin medallions. They're absolutely amazing. I'm definitely gonna pick them up after this challenge, but unfortunately they had dextrose in them and I got caught. I got caught in a moment of weakness. I love them so much that I was literally like, oh, it's okay though. I said that.
Yeah, and I was like, no,
Like,
it's not.
I thank God you were there with me. I don't think I would have cracked, but it's like I justified it. I was just like, oh, but...
It's okay.
Yeah.
You know.
So Costco has like pre-prepared fish with sauces. Things are always crazy at the Whitrock house, so I thought it'd be perfect and convenient. I actually did pick up the mahi-mahi, which had no sugar, but then I picked up the cod, which looked amazing, but unfortunately there was maltodextrin in the ingredient list. And finally, the biggest disappointment of all is we could not find bacon without sugar. I swear I've seen somebody on Instagram, or maybe it was in our Facebook group, that posted saying that Costco had bacon without sugar. Yeah, somebody did. I'm gonna have to go back and look at it. Guys, please, if you have found bacon that does not have sugar in it, comment below. I need your help. So that's a wrap, guys. Jake is gonna head home. I'm gonna spend the rest of the night hanging out with Carly and Paxton. We are gonna go to our favorite restaurant, Sam's No. 3. I'm sorry I can't take you guys along with me, but I can tell you what I know I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna have 4 eggs, which means I've had 8 eggs already today.
Jeez,
And they make amazing pork chops, so I'm gonna have pork chops as well. Usually it comes with a side of cottage cheese, but I'm not gonna be having that. So day 6 is tomorrow.
Dude, you excited?
Things are going kind of fast.
Yeah, no,
I feel like day 21 is going to be here before we know it. I just want to encourage everybody that's doing the war on sugar to keep going strong. Remember, hashtag war on sugar. Tag myself, tag Jake.
Yeah.
We're all in this together. As always, guys, keep up the good work and much love.
Oh!